2010 was a season to remember for Morehead State soccer. The Eagles capped off a 13-win campaign with an Ohio Valley Conference Tournament Championship and are the preseason favorite by the league's coaches to do it again.
I expect us to win, and the mindset and the ideas of we're coming to Morehead State to win games, to be OVC champions, and to move on to the NCAA. Unless that's in your mindset, you don't work towards it. So I think the culture has been changed, the expectations have been changed.
Definitely enjoy being on top. We enjoy the pressure. It definitely gives us more drive and a focus because we've been champions before and we want to do it again. So we have definitely a drive to do that this year again.
We've done the tournament, we've done conference, we've done all that. Next step is going to the next phase and winning the NCAA game and going to the second round and pushing our standards a little bit higher each year. And eventually, I think this year we might be able to win that NCAA game.
Coach always tells us we have a target on our backs. It's always just a reminder that we just have to keep working hard. There isn't a day where we can just take it easy, take it off. It keeps us pushing because we want to do it again. You know, seniors especially, we want to be the first class ever on this campus to have all 4 rings for all 4 years. So it's definitely a drive for us.
And being a person that can win a conference championship 4 years in a row is a very special feat. And they have that on their minds, and I want them to be on their minds, and to have the best senior year they can put together, and they've come in ready to play and do it.
There is that expectation, and I keep trying to push my hardest, and I want to be able to make an impact with the team, and I definitely want to be part of that 4th year championship.
All of us push each other so hard. We all want the title just as bad. I don't know, my freshman year getting a ring, conference and tournament, it meant everything, and now we just want to move on to the next step of winning our first NCAA game.
We work hard, we compete to win. Sometimes we're not the best talent on the field against an opponent, but I guarantee you we're the best team on there, and that goes a long way. People talk about chemistry and that, and it's true. You know, I truly believe in it. I think once you have chemistry on and off the field, that can take you a long way.